Okay, we're almost done. You guys are doing a great job. Which statement about the number 5,555 is true? Well, I've already plugged my number into my place value chart, and I only have 4 digits, so I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where I started plugging my number in, 5,555. You have these place value discs. If you wanted to create your number, you could move them on your Chromebook, and you would need 5,000s, 500s, 510s, and 5 1s. So there is a 5 in the tens place. That's true. So 5 times 10 equals 50. Well, does 5 times 10 equal 50? Does 5 tens equal 50? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is a true statement. I'm going to put a check mark because that's true. There is a 5 in the hundreds place. That's true. So 5 times 100 equals 50. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 5 times 100, there's 500s here, does not equal 50, it equals 500. So that's wrong. There is a 5 in the tens place. That's true. So 5 times 10 equals 500. No. We already said that 5 times 10 equals 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's wrong. Oops. There's a 5 in the thousands place. That's true. So 5 times 1,000 equals 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5,000s. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. 5 times 1,000 does not equal 500. It equals 5,000. So your correct answer is A. If you chose A as your correct answer, go spin the spinner and move your pieces.